You're watching Times XP. My name is Rityatri, and here are the biggest stories that are making headlines across the globe today. So let's start with it. United States admits failed Iran regime change attempt. That's right, for the very first time, the United States acknowledges attempt to influence Iran's leadership here. Not once but twice. And both the efforts failed. Iran stood firm, exposing the limit of foreign intervention. Iran proves governments can't be controlled remotely. The failed plan revealed a harsh reality of geopolitics here. Nations are not button to be pushed. Well, Iran adapted, strengthened, and refused to fall. Middle East tired of endless war scripts here from Syria to Iraq to Gaza. Destruction has rewritten history. What was once defense is now seen as destabilization. The entire region, it is demanding a new approach now. Arab world turns on Israel's role. A shocking shift is happening in Arab voices. Israel is now being viewed as a source of tension. Well, this is no longer a whisper, it is out loud. Gaza's suffering forces global reality check here. Bombs outnumber birds in the skies above Gaza. Families sleep under broken concrete and fear. Well, the entire world can no longer pretend peace exists. Power vacuum debate over post-war Gaza. Who will govern once the war is over? Well, here, global powers rush to design the future of Gaza, but plans without the people will fail again. China locks target on Japanese jet midair. That's right, near Okinawa, a Chinese jet radar logged a Japanese aircraft. This is a pre-attack military signal, by the way, one button away from possible war. Japan responds with strong protest to China. Tokyo calls the move dangerously provocative. In the meantime, China denies the wrongdoing, blaming Japan. Here there are two stories and one dangerous sky. Taiwan and Pacific nations go on high alert. Aerial tensions raises fear across East Asia. Here, military presence. It has multiplied. The entire region feels like a loaded weapon right now. Airspace becoming the new battlefield, ladies and gentlemen. Fighter jets now replace diplomatic talks. Ego overrules logic at 30,000 feet. Peace is hanging on human restraint. White House protest sparks over Venezuela. Crowds gathered outside the White House demanding no foreign intervention. Hands of Venezuela echoed at the gates. A nation divided over hidden operation. Americans say fix home before policing others. That's right. Rising costs and collapsing services fuel the anger. People here, they blame overseas interference for domestic neglect. No blood for oil. That has become a war crime. Maduro formed silent alliances with Turkey. That's right. A phone call between Erdogan and Maduro changes the game here. Isolation begins to disappear now. A new tunnel of survival has opened. Turkey emerges as potential safe haven. Analysts fear that Maduro may flee to Turkey if forced out. Protection and political shelter wait there. The plan is quiet, but it is real. Venezuela gains NATO-linked support indirectly. That's right. Turkey's NATO membership adds geopolitical shock value here. The US targets now have alliance connection. The chessboard has just expanded. Iran launches massive missile drill in the Sea of Oman. Ballistic missiles storm the sky near Hormuz. That's right. Be it drones, be it cruise missiles, everything follows. Not training, but a warning. Missile names echoes global warning here. Qadr, Gadr, and New Generation 303 are unveiled. Each launch sent a message that Iran is ready. Strait of Hormuz under silent threat. 40% of global oil it passes through there daily. A single mistake could crash markets. The entire world holds its breath. AI and smart weapons enter Iranian arsenal. Autonomous tracking and coordination tested. Here, future warfare goes live in real time. Technology meets tension. United States carrier under extreme pressure near Yemen. USS Truman launches over 1,000 strikes in a week. Crew runs on exhaustion. Fatigue becomes the real enemy. Near miss incident nearly killed a US pilot. That's right, a friendly missile passes near a US jet. Pilot ejected to survive. 1 second from a coffin. United States warship collides with civilian vessels. Not an enemy, but a merchant ship. Impact near sleeping quarters. Here, hundreds of them escape death by inches. Advanced fighter jets lost to chaos. Two multi-million-dollar jet, they vanished at the sea. No enemy involved, human limit exposes again. Military shakes now outnumbers the attack. That's right, exhaustion and pressure destabilize the control here. Technology falls when human do. War reveals the vulnerability here. Iran's confidence alarms the West. Well, Tehran claims defense and not aggression this time. West hears escalation, Israel watches silently. Fear of nuclear confrontation resurfaces. Missiles plus ego equal to danger. That's right. Diplomacy loses volume, the countdown grows louder. Global narrative about enemy is shifting. Now, for years, Iran was labeled the problem, right? But questions are changing directions now. Who really destabilized peace? And there is just one name, and that is Israel. Silence between nations becomes most dangerous sound. No words, no weapons, no discussions, just drills. Now, this is how war begins. Citizens rise against their own government. Protest shows internal unrest in the United States, and for what? Venezuela. Fear, it is no longer just about geopolitics. It's personal. People demand change. People demand United States to stop intervening in the Venezuela problem. World standing on invisible fault line here. No explosion yet, no war declared, but pressure exists every single where. One mistake and the whole history changes. And with that, that's a wrap up of our 30 news bulletins from around the globe. From Israel to Venezuela, from Gaza to the United States, the world is changing, and so is geopolitics. But Times XP is here to give you all the latest updates that matters the most. I am Dhriti Atri. See you tomorrow.